How to fix Task Manager crashing because of ucrtbase.dll in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, open the File Explorer. Click on the icon of the File Explorer from the taskbar. Go to this PC, C drive, where Windows is installed. Open the users directory, your username folder. Then open app data. If app data is not showing here, then click on view, select show, hover over show and check hidden items option. Then open the app data folder, then go to local, look for Microsoft in the list and open it. Then go to the folder named Windows and open it. Now look for Task Manager, this one, and delete this folder. Right click on the folder, select delete. The issue should be fixed now. Open the task manager and check if it opens now. If the issue still occurs, then click on search, type control, click on control panel, go to programs and features, this option, click on it, then look for Microsoft Visual C++. Different version of the application might be installed. Start from the latest version. Right click on the Microsoft Visual C++ and select change. Then click on repair. If a user account control pop-up appears, click on yes. It is repaired. Do the same with all the Microsoft Visual C++ installed on your computer. After completion, close the control panel and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.